Hello campers. So now we will do project 130. This is an extra project and this is basically for your homework. You can try this as an extra project for this camp, and this will be the last project on snap circuit for our robot camp 1. Okay. So for this project, let's see what do we need. Obviously we need this board. Okay, we need a speaker, battery, both battery. We need 2 pairs of battery. We need this optical fiber cable with these 2 holders. Okay, both of these holders. Place this one holder in one side, another holder on the other side. Place this like this. We need switches, both switches we need, S1 and S2. We need both of them. We need this D1 LED. We need this NPN transistor that is named as Q2. We need these 2 LEDs, one LED D6, another LED D1, and we need this photo transistor Q4. Photo transistor also we need. We need these 2 connectors, 6 snap wire and 5 snap wire, both of them. We need 4 of these 2 snap connectors, or 2 snap wire you can say, and 1 of these. Okay, once you have all of these, now start the project. For the project, first snap this one on 0.9 like this. Then we will complete this right hand side portion first and this one later. This is and this one and this one. These 2 circuits are separate, connected by this one, connected by this one. This is, what is this? This is basically the fiber optic cable. Yes, this is fiber optic cable, or you can say optical fiber. Okay, so I'm going to snap this 5.5 snap wire here and 6 snap wire here. Okay, so that we can place a switch here, switch S1. Place this switch on this place and connect this point like this. We need this Q2 photo transistor needs to be placed here. Carefully see, this is 2 point away, 1 point away here. This needs to be connected at this point. We need D6 LED in this place. Okay, now we need the Q4 photo transistor. Place it here. Remember, this positive side should be on this side here. So connect these 2 points here. Positive side port will be this side, so that it's connected to the positive side of the battery. Alright, and next we need a resistance here. we also need a resistance R5, that is 100 kilo ohm. Okay, we need this resistance R5 and place it here. Snap this point. We need this one to place it here so that we can make a label, and then connect these 2 points. Connect here. Now our right hand side circuit is ready. Okay, it's turning on. Alright, now go for the left hand side. We need to place this battery first, then we need this LED, D1 LED. Remember, this positive side should go in this side, positive side on the left. Now let's say switch, press this speaker. Okay, now try this gray side of the holder for this will go here, so that you can cover the phototransistor, and this side, transparent side, will go in on this side. Okay, now turn this on. It's not turning on, but if you press this button it will turn on. Why? What's happening? It's not on, though my switch is on. And push it in this side, push the switch on side. Though this is on, this light is not turning on, but as soon as I press this switch, it's turning on. Why? This optical fiber is basically transporting the signal from this circuit to this circuit. So if I place these 2 circuit boards far away and make a big long fiber optical cable, we can basically transfer different information from here to here. Okay, let's say if I want to send information with 2 blinks, blink blink, and I already tell them that 2 blinks means yes, 1 blink means no, then if I press blink blink, they will know that I'm saying yes. But if I blink single switch and it blinks once, that means no. So in that way we can transfer the signal or information from one place to another place using this optical fiber. Alright, try this. This is very nice project.